Hello everyone, it's Olaf Texas again. Tonight I'm going to be showing you the perfect steak to have while watching the Dallas Maverick game. And like you see right there, I have my ribeye steak. Apart from my steak, I have my scallion, I have my red onions, I have my red pepper, I have my ginger, I have my thyme, my oil, and I have my habanero salt, my curry also. And as you see right there, what I'm doing right here is cutting my onions. Cutting my onions, put them aside. Cut my scallions also, put them aside. And once I'm done with cutting all those necessary ingredients, the next thing I want to do is marinate that good steak right there. Apply a little bit of salt. Apart from the salt, after you just add a little bit, don't make the salt too much. The next thing I'm gonna do right here is add a little bit of oil to it. You want to make your ribeye steak juicy. I add a little bit of oil, then after I add my paprika, just a little bit of pepper, add a little bit of thyme. Once you're done with that, add your curry also. And once you're done adding all those necessary ingredients, you want to put your steak aside and add all those recipes to it. At this point in time, I'm just going to marinate for 2 hours, put in the fridge. And here is my lovely stir pan I just got. You want to add a little bit of oil to the pan so your steak doesn't stick to the pan. You understand? So right now I'm just taking my time for it to get all a little bit. And this is where I add my steak to my pan. Take it easy, no rush, and just watch how I do it. Now that guy is teaming up together. A whole lot of people have a dimension, or let me say, have a particular way they usually grill or use their steered pan. But me, I just prefer using it this way. Some people prefer 2 o'clock, some people prefer 6 o'clock. But this is literally how I do mine. If you think you have a perfect way, you think this is the best way you want us to do it, we can also do it also. But right here, I let it cook on that side for like 5 minutes. And once I'm done, I flip it to the other side. Let it cook for another 5 minutes on the other side. Oh my god, I'm so happy with the way this guy is looking right now. My mouth is really getting watery. And right here, it's almost 5 minutes. But once you want to make sure your stuff isn't really hot. So right now I'm just gonna let it burn a little bit on each side. Do it around just so that you will rest assured that everything is well done. We're almost there. Just give it a few minutes more. As you see right there, that guy is almost done. Don't mind what I'm doing on the side. I just put a little bit of shrimp on the side as I was getting hungry already. But just watch how I do it. Right now I think that guy is almost done. Almost done. And this is where I literally have to reduce the it a little bit. And look at that guy right there, looking so good. And thanks for all you do, guys. Just don't forget to as time goes on, don't forget to hit that like button. And apart from like button, don't forget to subscribe also. And I really appreciate all you do for this channel. Let me test this guy and see how it goes. Let me see how it tastes. Oh god, look at that guy right there. That guy looks so well done, so yummy, so yummy. Thanks a lot, guys, and subscribe to watch more. Thank you.